Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel formulas lesson number 18. So today I'm going to show you about this now function, and we are still in the date and time functions. So in this now function actually we can do a lot of things. It is not just now, we can do something with that. Let me show you this. Let's first take the current date and time, right? Equal now, open brackets, close brackets, enter. Now this is the date and this is the time. And also if you want to change this cell format, you can change it. I talk about a little bit on that in the lesson number 17. Now let's think about, you need to know what is the date and time after 6 hours. The logic here is value 1 equal 24 hours. Okay, then value 0.5 or 0.5 equal 12 hours. Okay, value 0.25 equal 6 hours, right? So like this way you can build up. So then if you want to take the current if you want to take the date and time after 6 hours from the current date and time, then the formula will be equal now, open close brackets, plus 0.25, because you saw for 6 hours it should be, the value should be 0.25, right? So then after 6 hours this will be the date and time. The same way after 12 hours, now open close brackets, plus 0.5, right? You can see that. Okay, and let's think about, you want to know what was the date and time from now 2 days and 6 hours ago. 2 days and 6 hours ago. Then the formula will be now, open close brackets, this time minus 2 means 48 hours, right? 0.25 means 6 hours. Then you can see it was October 30th, 1:19 a.m. Alright, so this is how you can play with this now function in your day-to-day work. And thank you so much again for your feedbacks, likes and everything. So kindly share the knowledge, share this video with other colleagues and multiply the knowledge. Thank you very much again. Have a nice day. God bless you.